Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to OpenAI API for building automation agents, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using the OpenAI API, visit the official OpenAI website. Navigate to the API section to learn about its features and pricing. Create an OpenAI account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once your account is activated, log in to the OpenAI platform. Access the API dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and options. Select the API Keys tab in your dashboard settings. Click on the Create API Key button to generate a new key. Copy your API key and store it securely, as you will need it for authentication later. Review the usage limits and pricing plans to choose the best option for your needs. Consider starting with a free trial if available to explore the API functionalities. Download the OpenAI SDK compatible with your programming language. Install the SDK following the installation instructions provided in the documentation. Open your code editor and create a new project for your automation agents. Import the OpenAI SDK into your project files. Utilize the API key you generated to authenticate your requests within your code. Refer to the API documentation to understand the endpoints available for use. Start building automation agents by writing functions that interact with the API. Test your automation agents locally to ensure they are functioning as expected. Monitor usage in your dashboard to stay within your selected pricing plan. Implement error handling in your code to manage potential issues effectively. Once satisfied, deploy your automation agents in a production environment. Continuously optimize and update your agents based on user feedback and performance data. Stay informed about updates to the API by checking OpenAI's official channels regularly. Explore community forums for tips and shared experiences from other developers. With these steps, you are now ready to leverage the OpenAI API for your automation projects. Enjoy building intelligent solutions that can enhance productivity and effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.